uh, an electron in Thomson's apparatus moves perpendicular to a B field along the path of radius 17.4 centimeters. If imposition of electric field of 16.10 kilovolt per meter makes the path straight, define B. Okay, we know that when say that electron is moving, and when it enters to the magnetic field, what happens is that the electron will start moving along the circular path. Now, so it will start along the circular path. It will start moving along the circular path, okay? Because of the magnetic force. But however, when electric field applied, what happens is that the net force becomes zero, and then when E is applied, what happens is that the net force becomes zero, and then it will not now move along the circle, but rather it will move straight line. Okay, so let's find now B. The first of all, as I said, electron is moving perpendicular along the magnetic field. Okay, when it enters. Now, when it enters and if it's moving perpendicular to magnetic field, means that it's moving along the circular path. If that's the case, then we know that mv squared over r is equal qvb. Okay, that means we can say that it will be v is equal qb over qb over m times r. Okay, now this is the mass of the electron and this is charge of the electron. Okay, then this is the first case when there's no electric field. Okay, now however, when the electric field is applied, what happens is that it makes electron to move along the straight path. If that's the case, then we know that Fe is equal to the Fb. If that's the case, then Qe is equal Qvb. Then we know that V is equal E over B. Now we're going to take this second formula and then we're going to substitute in the first formula, okay, or first equation. Then what we will get? We will get electric field over B is equal QBr over mass of the electron. If that's the case, then we want to find a B. So the B will be squared is equal B squared, then mass of the electron times E divided by the QR. That's it. I think mass of the electron, you can find it. Electric field is given, charge is given. Charge is 1.6 10 to the power of minus 19. Yeah. Okay, so that's it. I think this is the final formula or equation where you have to find the numerical value.